I have gained a lot of growth from this VR project about chemistry lab. For example, I learned a lot of interactive logic of VR controller, such as the detection of grab array, and how to make cool shader liquid wave effects, and fire extinguisher spray and water drop particle system effect, and various collider detection in 3D environment. I also learned that the trigger detection and collision detection are two different methods. This brings a lot of fun and challenges to the project development. At the same time, in the acid-based neutralization and fire extinguisher modules, I also learned the technique for detecting particle collisions and how to adjust particle parameters, textures, and materials within the particle system to match the needs of our project. The water drop particle effect initially appeared poorly defined, but after applying the correct textures and materials, the effect improved dramatically with clearer edge. Uh, these improvements greatly enhance the visual quality of our project. Due to the lack of suitable methods and mismatched online resources like Unity assets, the fire extinguisher couldn't interact properly, and the monitor screen model display video content outside its frame. To solve these issues, I spent a lot of time to piecing together a model using Unity's 3D objects like cube, sphere, or cylinder. For example, I fixed the fire extinguisher in place uh, and used the stacked cubes to define the monitor's borders and display area. This project taught me a lot about building a VR project from scratch. I became much more comfortable working with different Unity 3D modules and figure out how to make them work together. Along the way, I learned how to create features I needed by combining building tools or some external resources, which really boosted my confidence in solving technical challenges. For example, when something didn't work as expected, like the controller interaction or particle effects, I spent time troubleshooting, ex- experimenting, and testing until I found a solution. I also got better at using Unity's particle system to fine-tune things like textures and materials to create exactly the look and feel I wanted. It wasn't always easy, but it was super rewarding when things finally worked. The project wasn't just about improving my technical skills, it was also about learning to adapt and solve problems. Whether it was fixing the fire extinguisher's nozzle or figure out how to simulate z-axis rotation in the acid-based module. I learned how to break down problems in the Unity and think outside the box to get results.